Italy. During the first quarter of 2022, the volume of construction in this country grew by about 19%, and naturally, the buildings they make are not only high quality, but also beautiful. They achieve these results thanks to the solutions of local companies, and one of them is on your screen right now. The porcelain stoneware tiles you see can be used to make anything from patios to parking lots. Not only are they beautiful, they're also reliable. A 0.8-inch thick slab can withstand more than 2,000 pounds of load. In addition, the tiles are non-slip, non-allergenic, fire-resistant, and easy to maintain. The maximum size of a single tile is 47 by 47 inches, so they're suitable for large-scale projects too. You'll have to pay around $16.50 for 11 square feet. Even people in wealthy countries have to worry about saving energy. Many see the way out in alternative power sources, such as solar energy. The solar stack mounting system is designed precisely for solar panels. It allows you to install them quickly, efficiently, and without making any holes in the roof. The process is somewhat similar to cooking. First, you apply a foam adhesive, and then you place the mount on top. And while the installation of similar products takes from 2 to 5 days, Solar Stack allows you to do it in a day. The system is suitable for flat and pitched roofs and works well with metal, ceramic, shingles, and bitumen. One batch of 100 fasteners costs about $5,300. Next is a cool solution for almost any kind of space, from parks and recreation areas to parking lots. This is essentially an upgraded lawn. An American company has combined it with concrete blocks and sells it to anyone who wants it. For $1,000, you can cover about 240 square feet. The flexible polymer mesh is filled with concrete and placed on the desired area, then supplemented with a layer of sand and binder, and the lawn is laid on top. And that's it. The surface doesn't slip, it doesn't crack, has no sharp corners, drains water, and is easy to clean. From your parking lot to a stadium entrance, the manufacturer is sure that the upgraded turf can be used almost everywhere and is also ideal for uneven areas. How to maintain a room's warmth without causing harm to the environment. It's easy. According to the creators of this self-leveling compound, their solution is suitable for any type of underfloor heating. It's based on natural components and allows you to save more energy. Sounds like a dream, right? According to the description, the floor thickness can vary from 0.4 to 1.6 inches. The compound levels itself in about 50 minutes. After that, tiles, linoleum, carpeting, parquet, and decorative resin elements can be installed on top without any problems. It's recommended that only professionals work with the compound, as it's important to consider many details like temperature, humidity, and other things. One 55-pound bag of this product costs $17. Next is a development from Canada. They offer the only formed aluminium complete bolt-together dock kit on the market. It's made of so-called marine-grade aluminium, which is suitable for both fresh and salt water. There are floating and stationary sections, which are easily supplemented with accessories like lights, holders, and mini platforms. If you want, it can be combined like a big construction set, so you can buy different sections and assemble a dock, a recreation area, a kind of pontoon, or anything else you want. A single 4-foot by 8-foot floating section can hold 419 pounds. The construction market involves not just huge, but colossal amounts of money. So, how do you get a piece of that pie just by selling a stay-in-place formwork? Simply join the eco-trends and say, at sites built with this method, heating costs in the winter are only $21.5 per month. Of course, we can't but compare them to Lego, as the products are easy to carry and install, and there are also different variations available, such as for window and door openings. Plus, if necessary, the blocks can be modified depending on the tasks, and it's almost impossible to make a mistake during installation, so you don't need special skills from the workers. These glass blocks will surely transport many people back to their childhood. They will come in handy if you want to decorate a room. The installation is so simple that even children can do it. An additional advantage is sound insulation. The seller assures that you will not have to worry about stains and scratches. Kitchen, bathroom, or bedroom, these blocks will fit anywhere and will add bright colors to your familiar home decor. In addition, they're 100% recyclable, which is great for the ecological karma of the manufacturers. However, some users request ready-made elements, not just individual squares. A package of 6 blocks of 6 by 6 by 3 inches sells for about $100. In order to build a terrace, in addition to weather-resistant wood, you also need the right fastening material. A German company rightly points out, and they offer everything from special self-tapping screws to kits like these that allow you to adjust the height of the structure. For example, one of the models offers continuously adjustable height from 1.3 to 2 inches, and a load capacity up to 1,763 pounds. Meanwhile, special inserts will ensure proper board spacing and optimum ventilation. Made in Germany for experts, hobbyists, and specialty traders worldwide, adds the manufacturer. By 2030, UNESCO plans to train all coastal residents how to act in case of tsunami. There is reason for concern. 65% of cities with a population of more than 2.5 million people stand on the coasts of seas and oceans. So, training and concrete blocks like these are not a luxury, but a dire necessity. These blocks were invented in Singapore, and more than 500,000 have been sold in over 20 years. They weigh from 2 to 44 tons and can be used both for strengthening the shore and for building breakwaters. In comparison with similar products, you'll need up to 50% fewer blocks, and the built-in calculator on the manufacturer's website will help you estimate the required amount and other parameters. Next up are panels from the United States. They have helped keep ice cream frozen in Miami, maintained temperature-comfortable, affordable housing projects around the world, and even saved gold miners from freezing inside their living quarters above the Arctic Circle. The seller writes about them. There are no particular secrets to the design. The metal shell is filled with styrofoam or mineral wool, and upgraded in accordance with the customer's wishes. For example, you can add a special protective layer which better withstands frequent washing, as well as choose the color of the panels. The thickness of the inner layer is up to 10 inches of styrofoam, and is up to 4 inches of mineral wool. And of course, a bunch of accessories are available, from suspended ceiling fasteners to ceiling tapes, and you can already buy not only the panels themselves, but even buildings made of them online. These polyurethane blocks can be used if you want to solve the problem of fire safety. Do you need temporary and permanent sealing of cable penetrations in hospitals, laboratories, and server rooms? No problem. In case of need, the blocks are ready for reuse, whilst installation is possible even in drywall partitions. What's more, the blocks are suitable for earthquake-prone areas and can be easily marked and adjusted during installation. The maximum size of an opening is 3.3 by 3.3 feet, However, you'll have to spend a lot of money. One 8x5x2-inch block is priced at $69. According to statistics, a family of 4 living in an ordinary apartment drains about 211 gallons of wastewater every day. However, an apartment includes plumbing, sewage, and water treatment at the level of local and city systems. But out of town, septic tanks help to deal competently with wastewater. The range presented on your screen offers options designed to serve up to 30 people. Many models are ready for installation and work in difficult conditions, for example on loams and quicksand. The system is made of a polyethylene sheet with a wall thickness of up to 0.7 inches. The simplest model costs about $723. Today, Italy not only opened the selection, but is also going to finish it. Local engineers have built a road that charges cars while they're driving along it. This test version is a 0.6-mile oval track, and the prospects are excellent. If similar roads were built across the country, car owners could save money by buying an electric car without worrying about battery capacity. The road works thanks to the DWTP wireless power transmission technology. Power cables and coils are hidden under the asphalt, and if you put the appropriate receiver in the car, it can travel even without a traction battery. Both electric cars and buses have been used on the tests, so not only car owners will be able to appreciate the benefits of the new technology.